Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So Ganesh Chaturthi is here and other festivals are coming as well. There is Coconut Laddo recipe which will help you to make delicious laddu in this festive season really quick. So let's get started. So first we prepare sugar syrup. So in a pan add sugar and then water. Mix it well. So on a low to medium flame, cook the solution. It will start to thicken and continue to cook till you get the one thread consistency in the sugar solution. Keep stirring and now check. It will take you 5 to 10 minutes maximum to get one thread consistency. And now it's ready, as you can see. And this time add the desiccated coconut powder, नारियल बुरादा जो हमें मार्केट रेडीमेड मिलता है, and cardamom powder also to the sugar syrup and mix it well nicely. Now switch off the flame and mix it nicely. Wait for a few minutes till you are comfortable in making the laddu. Remember, the mixture should be hot or warm while making the laddus. Now take a portion and make small balls from the mixture and make all laddus this way. Also, one quick tip, if you think your mixture is very dry, then add little milk in this. And if you think your mixture is very liquidy, then you can add more coconut powder in this. Now roll the coconut laddu in desiccated coconut one by one. Now it's an optional step, you can skip this, but I like to decorate. So it's a kesar milk, just 1 tablespoon milk soaked with few kesar strands. Now dip your finger into milk and place on laddu with 1 kesar strand, and similar with all laddus. And now it's ready. Serve the nariyal laddu as bhog to Lord Ganesha. So I hope you like this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and share with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.